Biscuits, a simple word that brings a flood of memories and sensations. They're more than just a food. Biscuits are memories. They remind us of cozy mornings, family gatherings, and the comforting aroma of something baking in the oven. They evoke feelings of warmth, comfort, and home. The simple act of biting into a biscuit can transport us back to simpler times, to moments shared with loved ones. But how do these humble delights transform from simple ingredients into the fluffy, golden brown treats we know and love? It all starts with the basics: flour, butter, milk, and a touch of love. These ingredients are mixed, rolled, and cut into shapes, then baked to perfection. Let's journey into the fascinating world of biscuit production, exploring the 6 crucial steps that take biscuits from factory to table. From mixing the dough to the final packaging, each step is a testament to the care and precision that goes into making every biscuit. Whether enjoyed with butter and jam or as part of a savory dish, biscuits hold a special place in many cultures. They can be a simple snack or a gourmet delight, versatile enough to fit any occasion. From the flaky, buttery layers of southern biscuits to the simple, rustic charm of a British scone, biscuits come in many forms and flavors. Each region has its own take on this beloved treat, adding unique twists and traditions. The appeal of biscuits is undeniable. They bring people together, creating moments of joy and connection. So next time you enjoy a biscuit, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to your table and the memories it helps create. The journey begins with the heart of any biscuit, the dough. In large factories, this process is a carefully orchestrated dance of machinery and precise measurements. Flour, the foundation of our biscuit, is sifted into giant mixing bowls, ensuring a light and airy texture. Next comes the fat. Whether butter, shortening, or lard, the fat is crucial for creating those coveted flaky layers. The fat is incorporated into the flour, creating a crumbly mixture. Finally, the liquid, usually milk or buttermilk, is added, binding the ingredients and bringing the dough together. Once mixed, the dough embarks on a crucial step: fermentation. This is where the magic truly begins, transforming a simple mixture of flour and water into something extraordinary. Yeast, a microscopic fungus, is added to the dough. This tiny organism plays a monumental role in the baking process. As it is sprinkled into the dough, it begins to awaken, ready to perform its vital function. The yeast feeds on the sugars in the dough, releasing carbon dioxide gas. This gas forms bubbles within the dough, causing it to expand and rise. The sight of dough bubbling with carbon dioxide is a clear indication that the yeast is hard at work. This process creates air pockets within the dough, contributing to the soft and airy texture of the final biscuit. These air pockets are crucial, as they give the biscuit its lightness and fluffiness, making each bite a delightful experience. The dough is left to rest in a warm environment, allowing the yeast ample time to work its magic. The warmth is essential, as it provides the ideal conditions for the yeast to thrive and multiply, ensuring a thorough fermentation process. The duration of fermentation can vary depending on the type of biscuit and the desired flavor profile. Some doughs may require a longer fermentation period to develop a more complex flavor, while others may need a shorter time for a milder taste. This waiting period is essential for developing the biscuit's characteristic flavor and texture. The patience and care taken during this stage are what set apart a good biscuit from a great one. The risen dough, now airy and full of life, is ready for the next step in the production process, promising a delicious end product. To delve deeper, let's take a closer look at the yeast itself. Under a microscope, yeast cells appear as tiny, oval-shaped organisms. When they come into contact with the sugars in the dough, they begin to multiply rapidly. This multiplication is a fascinating process, as each yeast cell divides to form new cells, creating a thriving colony within the dough. Kneading the dough is another critical step that works hand in hand with fermentation. As the dough is kneaded, it develops gluten, a protein that gives the dough its elasticity. This elasticity allows the dough to stretch and hold the carbon dioxide bubbles produced by the yeast, resulting in a well-risen dough. The type of yeast and the fermentation process can also influence the final product. Different types of biscuits, from soft and fluffy to crisp and crunchy, can be achieved by adjusting the fermentation time and the type of yeast used. This versatility is what makes baking such an art form, allowing bakers to create a wide range of textures and flavors. Monitoring the dough during fermentation is crucial. Factors such as temperature and humidity can significantly impact the fermentation process. Skilled bakers keep a close eye on these variables, ensuring that the dough ferments under optimal conditions. This careful monitoring helps achieve consistent results, batch after batch. Once the dough has fermented to perfection, it is ready to be shaped. The shaping process is where the dough begins to take on its final form, whether it be a round biscuit, a long baguette, or any other shape. This step requires precision and skill, as the dough must be handled gently to preserve the air pockets created during fermentation. Finally, the dough is baked to golden perfection. The heat of the oven causes the dough to rise even further, setting the structure and creating a beautiful crust. The result is a batch of freshly baked biscuits, each one a testament to the wonders of yeast and the art of fermentation. As they cool and are packaged, they are ready to be enjoyed, bringing joy to those who savor their delicious flavor and texture. After fermentation, the dough, now bubbly and doubled in size, is ready for shaping. Large machines gently knead and flatten the dough to remove any large air pockets. Then the dough is fed through a series of rollers, ensuring uniform thickness. Finally, circular cutters stamp out individual biscuits. These cutters ensure consistent size and shape, essential for even baking. Any leftover dough is gathered, re-rolled, and cut, minimizing waste. Section 5. Step 4. The alchemy of heat baking biscuits to golden perfection. The heart of biscuit production lies in the baking process. Rows of freshly cut biscuits travel on conveyor belts towards the industrial ovens. These ovens, often towering structures, are designed for even heat distribution, ensuring every biscuit bakes to perfection. As the biscuits bake, the heat transforms the dough, the fat melts, creating those desirable flaky layers. The starches in the flour gelatinize, giving the biscuit its structure. And finally, the sugars caramelize, creating that beautiful golden brown crust and that irresistible aroma. Section 6. Step 5. Cooling down and checking up, ensuring quality and freshness. Fresh from the oven, the biscuits, now puffed and golden, require a cooling period. This allows the internal steam to escape, preventing soggy biscuits. Cooling also makes the biscuits easier to handle for the next stage packaging. Before packaging, a team of quality control inspectors examines the biscuits. They check for size, shape, color, and any imperfections. Only biscuits that meet the highest standards make it to the final stage. This careful monitoring ensures that consumers receive a consistent and high-quality product. Section 7. Step 6. From factory to table, packaging and delivering biscuit bliss. The final stage involves packaging the cooled biscuits to preserve their freshness and flavor. Automated machines swiftly and efficiently package the biscuits. Some are packaged in familiar cardboard tubes, while others might be arranged in plastic trays ready for supermarket shelves. Finally, the packaged biscuits are loaded onto trucks, ready for distribution. Thanks to efficient transportation networks, these biscuits reach grocery stores and supermarkets, ready to be enjoyed by consumers. Section 8. A global love affair, biscuits across cultures and kitchens. From the bustling factories to our kitchen tables, biscuits have a unique way of bringing people together. They are more than just a snack. They are a symbol of comfort, tradition, and innovation. The journey of biscuit production is a testament to culinary ingenuity. In factories, advanced machinery works tirelessly to ensure each biscuit is crafted to perfection. These machines mix, shape, and bake with precision, turning simple ingredients into delightful treats. The simple yet satisfying nature of a biscuit, born from humble ingredients like flour, butter, and sugar, is a marvel of culinary art. These basic components, when combined in just the right way, create a product that is both comforting and delicious, and transformed through a meticulous process, involving careful mixing, rolling, and cutting. Each step is crucial to achieving the perfect texture and flavor. Factory workers play a vital role ensuring that every batch meets high standards of quality, continues to captivate taste buds worldwide. The sight of biscuits moving along a conveyor belt, ready to be packaged and shipped, is a testament to their widespread appeal. People from all walks of life enjoy these treats, whether fresh from the oven or straight from the package. Whether enjoyed as a comforting breakfast staple, a savory side dish, or a sweet treat, biscuits hold a universal appeal. They are a versatile food, fitting seamlessly into various meals and occasions. Families gather around the breakfast table, friends share them as snacks, and they are even enjoyed as part of festive celebrations. Biscuits hold a universal appeal. From the buttery shortbread of Scotland to the spicy ginger snaps of Sweden, Biscuits come in countless varieties, each with its own unique flavor and cultural significance. Children and adults alike find joy in these simple yet delightful treats. Their adaptability and versatility make them a beloved food across cultures and kitchens. Chefs around the world experiment with different ingredients and techniques, creating new and exciting variations. Biscuits can be sweet or savory, soft or crunchy, plain or filled with delicious surprises. So the next time you savor a biscuit, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took from simple ingredients to a delightful treat. Think about the hands that crafted it, the machines that shaped it, and the traditions that inspired it. Each bite is a connection to a rich history of culinary creativity. Take a moment to appreciate the journey it took from simple ingredients to a delightful treat. Biscuits are more than just food. They are a celebration of culture, tradition, and the joy of sharing. So whether you enjoy them with a cup of tea, as part of a meal, or as a standalone snack, remember the global love affair that makes biscuits a cherished part of our lives.